Learn to write. Printing.
Let's learn to print the capital and lowercase letters Y and Z. If you don't have handwriting paper at home, draw the top, middle, and lower lines like this. The letter Y. Uppercase Y, lowercase y. Y, R, AR says R, yarn, yarn. Good job. For uppercase Y, we'll make a V shape, starting with the left side, from top line to middle, and then the right side, top line to middle. And then we'll draw a straight line down. So top to middle, and then top to middle again to make a V, and then straight line down. Uppercase Y. Lowercase y is similar. We'll draw the V shape again, middle line to bottom line, and then we're going to go straight through the bottom line, just under the bottom line. So middle line to bottom line, and then all the way through beneath the bottom line. Great work. So uppercase Y, V shape, straight down. Lowercase y starting from the middle line, V shape but straight through. Uppercase, straight down, and lowercase, straight through. Good job. The letter Z. Uppercase Z, lowercase z. Z, I, P, ER makes the sound. Z, I, P, Zipper, zipper. Good work reading. For uppercase Z, we'll go from left to right, and then angle all the way down to the bottom line, and then move over to the right hand side. So from left to right, all the way down to the bottom, and move over to the right hand side. Beautiful, nice Z. Lowercase z is exactly the same, but you're going to start at the middle line, go down to the bottom, and over. So from the middle line to the right, angle line down, and to the right again. Uppercase Z to the right, angle line down to the right again. And lowercase to the right, angle down to the right again. Good work, everybody. We finished the alphabet. Now it's time for a fun fact. Did you know the letter Z is the least used letter in the English alphabet? There are some good words though. Some of them include zoo, zebra, and the flying machine, Zeppelin. Wow, we've written all of the letters of the English alphabet. Great work, everybody!
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more fun.